Hi guys, my name is Oshma777C and today I'm going to tell you how to solve a Rubik's Cube, 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. So first we are going to learn about the pieces, and there is one centerpiece on each side of the cube, means 6 centerpieces if there are 6 sides. 4 edge pieces on each side means the whole cube has 12 edge pieces. 4 corner pieces on each side, which are only 8 in the whole cube. So let's get started. So first we need to know about the notation before. So the notations are, I'm going to hold the cube like this. So this side is going to face towards me and this side onto the top. So this is right clockwise. This is right counterclockwise. This is left counterclockwise and left clockwise. This is up clockwise, up counterclockwise, and this is down counterclockwise and down clockwise. Okay, then we have front clockwise, and then front counterclockwise, back clockwise, and back counterclockwise. So now we know the notations and the pieces of the cube. Now let's start. So the first step to solve is we have to make a white cross like this on the cube with the white cross. But the special thing about the cross is there's a white cross, but the edge pieces and the corner pieces, the white and any other color edge pieces and the center pieces match up. And see. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first we need to make the daisy. The daisy is made like this. We have to put all the white edge pieces around the yellow center. So one is here, one is here, one is here. So we need to bring it here and pull it right here. And the last is here. Just pull it up. The daisy is made. And now, to make the white cross, first we have to match the edge pieces to the corresponding centers, white, red and red. So after these are matching, move it up. Then green and blue don't match up. Blue and blue match up, and white. Move it up. Half of the cross is made. Orange and white, or 2 oranges and white edge piece match up. 3/4 of the cross is made. They match up, but there's not the white edge piece here. Move it. They match up, and there's the white edge piece here. Move it up. White cross made, and then all these, all their edge pieces and corresponding centers are made. Okay, let's move on to the next step. So the next step is making the whole side and the first layer of the cube. So let's get started, and the center should be matched like this with the first layer's color. They should be correspondent to each other. So to do this, we have to keep the cube like this, white cross on the bottom and this side facing us. So all the corner pieces are missing. So let's find a corner piece that is white, orange and green. I would find white, orange and green. So the corner piece is right here. So bring the corner piece next to the correspondent colors and match up. If this is the case that the white is on the top and it's supposed to be here, insert it here, just like this. White is here, simple, move it up, like this. Inserted, this made. Now white is missing from here and their colors. So the corner piece should be red, green and white. Here's it. Inserted it right here. Last piece, it's here. Insert it like this. And we have the first layer complete. And the white side complete. Let's move on to the next step. So now our next step is to keep the white side solved and complete the second layer too. So to do this, you'll need a special algorithm. So let's say first we have to keep the cube like this side facing us, white onto the top and yellow onto the bottom, and find a color that is non-yellow, an edge piece. This edge piece is non-yellow, this is yellow, and this is non-yellow. So we need to use the non-yellow pieces. And we need to make a T, so a big T alphabet. So let's match it to here. This is the big T. And now let's see the color at the bottom. So it's orange. So we need to insert this edge piece right here. Do the algorithm. Down clockwise. Left clockwise. Down counterclockwise. Left counterclockwise. Then flip the cube like this. Down counterclockwise. Right counterclockwise. Down clockwise. Right clockwise. Now that edge piece that was here is inserted here. So let's do the algorithm and fix this edge piece here. We do not have to fix any edge piece that is yellow. This is yellow. It cannot be fixed anywhere in the second layer. So this is non-yellow. We need to fix it here. Do the algorithm. So this is the reverse. This was the reverse of the algorithm that we did before. If the edge piece here wants to come here, do the reverse of the algorithm that I told you. If the edge piece wants to come here, do the algorithm that I told you. So let's find another non-yellow edge piece. Here's it. So now I'll tell you both the algorithms. One was the right algorithm and one was from the left. This one is the left algorithm that we have done before. And I'll tell you how to do the right one. So this we have done before, but now we are going to do the right algorithm, that when we have to fix the edge piece right. I have not told this to you. So this is gonna be, hold the cube like this, down, counterclockwise. No, I did tell the algorithm. I did tell this algorithm to you, but that was the algorithm that I didn't tell you. You just have to do the reverse. That's no complicated. There's no complicated thing in this. Okay. And done. And our second layer is solved. And now the third step is to solve the white cross, the yellow cross. How to solve the yellow cross? It's already solved here, but in this case, when it's not solved, so I'm going to tell you how to solve it. You'll get 4 cases. In the first case, you will get only the yellow center. Do the algorithm. Then in the other case, you will get an L. You have to place it like this. That's facing to left. Then after it, you do the algorithm. You will get a line. And after this, you do the algorithm. You will get the cross. So the algorithm is front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, and then front counterclockwise. And here you go, you got the line. After doing this, do the algorithm again, and you got the cross. Simple. Let's move on to the next step. In this step, we have to align all the edges like this to all the yellow edge pieces. You see that? Okay. But in this case, there are not all the pieces, the edge pieces aligned to their corresponding colors. So इसमें क्या करना है? इस केस में पहले ना हमें ऐसे, इसमें 2 केसेस मिलेंगे. पहले केस में हमें मिलेगा कि जो सारे जो एज पीस है वो ऑपोजिट होंगे. सपोज ग्रीन का ऑपोजिट ब्लू, तो ये ऑपोजिट होंगे, और रेड का ऑपोजिट ऑरेंज, तो ये भी ऑपोजिट होंगे. तो कोई भी ऑपोजिट लगाइए. The sides will be like, the sides will be on both the side, and you have to do the algorithm from here. Suppose red is here matching to it and orange is here matching to it. Do the algorithm from here or from here. After doing that algorithm, you will get another case where you have to find both the adjacent edges. ये दोनों जो साथ में मिल रहे हो, जैसे ही आपको वो मिले, एक को राइट साइड पर रखो, एक को पीछे रखो और एल्गोरिदम करो. तो मुझे सिर्फ एडजेसेंट ही मिले हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अगर आपको वैसे भी ऑपोजिट मिले तो एक इस साइड पर और एक इस साइड पर एज मैच कर रहा हो, करिए और एल्गोरिदम कर दीजिए. पर मुझे ये मिला है. इसको राइट पर रखो, इसको पीछे रखो, डू द एल्गोरिदम. Algorithm is right inverted up, right up twice, right inverted up. और ये मेरे सारे ये हो गए. बट वो जो केस था, याद रखिए, अगर इस 2 के नहीं हुए हुए और इन 2 के हुए हुए तो दोनों को इस साइड्स पर रखिए और इधर या पीछे से एल्गोरिदम करना शुरू कर दीजिए. सिंपल. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. इस स्टेप में हमें क्या करना है, इसमें हमें सब कॉर्नर्स को जोड़ना है। सपोज इसमें कॉर्नर्स राइट प्लेस से नहीं जुड़े हुए, तो ये ब्लू है, ये ऑरेंज कहीं भी नहीं है इसके आसपास, येलो ये है, तो फिर ये मारा नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है। पर इसमें देखो, पिंक यहाँ, येलो यहाँ, ग्रीन यहाँ, ये और ये इसमें मैच नहीं होने चाहिए। मतलब इसमें कंपल्सरी नहीं है स्टेप में ट्विस्टेड हो सारे। इसमें ये है कि सबको उनके राइट प्लेस से मैच होना है, उनके कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट कलर से उन कॉर्नर्स को मैच होना है। तो फिर अगर मैच ना होए, तो सबसे पहले अगर आपको कोई मैच ना मिले तो क्या करो, कोई भी आपको जो कॉर्नर पीस ढंग का लग रहा हो उसको ऐसे पकड़ो, ये साइड यहाँ पर और येलो ऊपर, और ये एल्गोरिदम करो। और फिर जैसे ही आप ये एल्गोरिदम करोगे, उसके बाद आपको एक कॉर्नर राइट पोजीशन में मिल जाएगा। फिर उसको उस कॉर्नर को राइट साइड में रखकर एल्गोरिदम 2 बार और करना है, और फिर आपको सब कॉर्नर्स सही मिल जाएंगे जैसे ये। और उसके बाद हम लास्ट स्टेप पर पहुंचेंगे। सो लेट्स डू। ये गलत है, ये गलत कलर प्लेसमेंट है, ये भी गलत है, और ये सही है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So the algorithm is up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, up clockwise, down means right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise and left clockwise. ये हो गया। अभी तक फिर भी नहीं हुए, फिर इस एल्गोरिदम को दोबारा यहीं से करना है। मेरा तो पहले से ही एक हुआ था कॉर्नर से ही, बट अगर आपका ना हो तो क्या करना, सिंपली जो मैंने कहा है कि कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर दो, कहीं से भी ये एल्गोरिदम करना शुरू कर दो। अब दोबारा यहाँ से करना है ये एल्गोरिदम। अब मेरे सारे कॉर्नर्स सही है, ये देखो, ये सब इन अपने कलर्स, अपने बाहर वाले कलर से मैच कर रहे हैं। अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप पर चलते हैं। लास्ट स्टेप इज सॉल्विंग द क्यूब। तो अब इस क्यूब को कैसे सॉल्व करना है मैं आपको बताता हूँ। तो फर्स्ट हमें सारे सही कॉर्नर पीसेस मिल गए। अब क्या करना है, हमें कहीं से भी क्यूब को होल्ड करना है और ये एल्गोरिदम करना है। ये एल्गोरिदम है, इस क्यूब को ऐसे पकड़िए, ये येलो साइड ऊपर, ये साइड मेरी तरफ, एंड देन डू द एल्गोरिदम। सो द एल्गोरिदम इज right counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, right clockwise, down clockwise। अब अगर ये फिर से यहाँ फिक्स नहीं हुआ तो दोबारा करिए एल्गोरिदम। और अब यहाँ फिक्स हो चुका है तो उसको यहाँ ऐसे मोड़ दीजिए, और अब ये यहाँ से एल्गोरिदम करिए जब तक ये फिक्स नहीं हो जाता। अब ये फिक्स हो गया, अब इसको ऐसे टर्न करो, दोबारा करो एल्गोरिदम, और वही टर्न करना है जहां पर सारे जो कॉर्नर पीसेस हो वो सही प्लेस ना हो। ये सारे प्लेस हो गए, अभी लास्ट बचा है जैसे ही इसको हम कर लेंगे एल्गोरिदम करके, हमारा क्यूब सॉल्व। और ये हमारा क्यूब सॉल्व। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। तो ये सिंपली क्यूब सॉल्व करने की ट्रिक थी। एंड बाय। अब मैं आपको अगले क्यूब ट्यूटोरियल में बताऊंगा। हो।